Making people happy with good quality food and seeing the satisfaction on the faces of my customers is the biggest reward given to me. I have certain requirements when buying new knives. When butchering, I need a well-balanced, rigid boning knife with a nice straight spine. I need good steel so as to keep a sharp blade over a longer period of time. A knife should be ergonomic too, as you don't want an RSI. A craftsman's knife is part of his body, much like the tools of any tradesman. They really need to feel right in the hand.